Hi YouTube, have you got loose hinges? Well, today I'm just going to show you a quick tip on how to tighten those hinges up. Take yourself 10mm drill and a 10mm dowel. Let's say, for example, this middle hole is loose. We're going to drill the hole . More glue the better in this case. Put some more glue on. I have put a little bit of tissue on the floor there just to make sure it doesn't go on the carpet. Just had to find a bigger persuader. Right, we'll leave that to dry. So we're back. The glue is dried, the dowel is solid. So now we're going to cut the dowel off. You don't have to use a multi-tool, you can just use a hacksaw or just a normal saw if you can get it in there. So as long as it's flush. This has already been repaired before, so it's not quite flush here, but for our purposes it'll be fine. So now we just need to put the door on and find our new hole in the dowel. So we've got the door on, we just need to drill a small pilot hole just in the center. Don't want to make the hole too deep or drill out the meat of the dowel, because that'll defeat what we're trying to do. So we've just got a small starter hole, put the screw in. There we go. Now, as you heard from the sound of the impact driver, that's actually really quite a tight hole now. You could also use matchsticks dipped in glue. That's a good idea as well if you don't have any dowels, or even golf tees have been used, but that's my preferred method and it works quite well. Thanks for watching. Until next time.